The wait is finally over. The December Pixel feature drop has arrived, and along with it comes a feature many of us have eagerly anticipated: the ability to use Pixel 8 or 8 Pro as a webcam for your laptop. No more grainy, low-resolution laptop camera woes. Your Pixel's superior camera technology can now be leveraged for crystal-clear video calls and conferences. Before embarking on this exciting journey, ensure your Pixel is running the latest Android update. The December build should be readily available, so check your settings for system updates and confirm you're on the latest version. Now let's dive into the setup process. Connect your Pixel 8 or 8 Pro to your laptop using a USB cable. Make sure it's a data-capable cable, not just for charging. Head over to your Pixel settings and search for USB preferences. Open this menu. Under Use USB for, you'll see a newly added option: Webcam. Select it. A notification will pop up on your Pixel, confirming it's now being used as a webcam. Click on this notification for further customization. Adjust to your liking. This notification allows you to choose the focal length and even select between the front-facing and rear cameras on your Pixel. Ready to put your Pixel webcam's prowess to the test? Here are a couple of ways to experience the difference. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Windows 11. For the default camera app, head to the top right corner and select the Change Camera option. On Google Meet, the beauty of this integration shines brightly here. Google Meet automatically recognizes your Pixel as a new webcam, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The integration of Pixel devices as webcams marks a significant step forward in the world of video conferencing. It offers a powerful and convenient solution for users to elevate their online presence, fostering clearer communication and more engaging virtual interactions. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater integration between smartphones and laptops, further blurring the lines between these devices and creating seamless, intuitive experiences. So unleash the power of your Pixel and discover a world of enhanced video communication. Turn your Pixel 8 or 8 Pro into your laptop's webcam and experience the difference firsthand. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.